Intro, take two. Bonjour!
Hey, multimedia presentations. We're going to give you guys a quick tour of the studio. You'll be working here when you take AC362. It is a required course in your junior semester, and you'll be doing all of the hands-on work with your team. So we have an audio station where all the sound is mixed, whether it's microphones, music, sound effects. We have a assistant director station. Assistant director monitors all the activity and especially does the timing. We also have the technical director station where the technical director does all of the vision switching. So any of the changes that you might see on your video as far as visuals, that's going to be done by the technical director. The director really touches nothing, but they give all the commands for any type of transition that's happening during your video production. So they really need to be in control and communication with the rest of the group. Then we have the graphic stations. So here is where all of the clips, visuals, graphics, logos, lower thirds, titles, all those things are composed and also rolled in over here by the graphics people. And then finally we have the video engineering station, and that's where the cameras are matched and everything is kind of fine-tuned. So we're looking forward to seeing you in AC362 Video Studio production.